Guys, I welcome back to Connect Trust in Stuttgart. I'm here now, guys. I'm going to buy some drinks. Ang ulan, pero okay lang. Maraming tao pa rin. Dito kasi, yung pinaka, tourist spot ng Stuttgart. Kaya laging may tao. Ayan, guys. Andito na naman ako. Sayang ang ulan. Eh, hindi naman ako sa mga. Wala lang naman yun. Yan, naglalakad. Parang gusto ko kasi mag-inan naman bago pupunta yung aking friend. Kasi maaga pa naman. Alas 3 pa yung labas niya. So I decided to walk around first before I'm going to meet her. And